Hello everyone and welcome back to the KMTRADERS channel. So we're looking at Euro USD. Pretty much I want to give you some of our outlooks for this week. So my bias towards this pair is to the downside. Now I'm going to give you two options here for a buy and sell, even if this downside bias doesn't work out. I'm going to give you my reasons for this as well, for why I'm a sell bias. So pretty much, as of previous July, we can see price just making this huge push to the upside. Now, as we know, with all price action, we must have a retracement at some point just to make the trend continue and have that healthy trend, right? So if you look at this price action right now, in terms of a retracement, we've not really found one just yet. So we can see price continuating all the way up, and even from May as well, we've just had a short correction time for short correction period here, and consolidation picked up to gain enough liquidity in the market to push price higher. And now it's doing the same thing again here. We can see we're moving stagnant behind and we're just slowly pushing up. Now if we check on our RSI indicator as well, we can see some peaks off here. So overbought condition, overbought. So we can see we're coming into some oscillating price action here as well. So we do have some indicators warning us that we could have a possibility of turning to the downside, guys. So remember, I'm not using these indicators in confluence with our trading plan. It's just there as a hint and tool just to keep an eye on everything, guys. So, and also you can pretty much use the EMA as a guidance as well. So pretty much as you want to see in a choppy market, the EMA is just cutting in between and not really giving us a directional bias, as whereas in a trending market you can see how the EMA is clearly balanced here, and pretty much price is over it and the EMA is clearly underneath. So that's just just a quick tip about how I use the EMA. So as we can see, prices moving to the sideways, so we know it's a sideways moving market, and we know that previous price action here is already made a push to the upside. So if we have that push to the upside, we have a possible consolidation period that's moving as well to the side. We then could expect now a possible retracement. Now in terms of targets, I'm looking around at least 1.14, which comes into this zone. But if we get there, we get there. If we don't, not to worry. But pretty much in terms of our sell condition or conservative selling opportunity is to look at this opportunity here, 1.175. All I'm looking for is a downside move here, break and close as well. It has to clear out all these levels first. So you can see how price is reacting to this here quite strongly as a strong support already. So reason why we have to close below is because we will take out all the liquidity here, all the people who would have bought long here, and all we're going to be doing now is just waiting for that retest, waiting for then that momentum to kick in, and hopefully we can see how far this can push lower. So that's where I'm looking at for this week in regards to Euro USD. If I am looking for the alternative route, so I did remember to say at the start that I'm going to give you guys a second option, and that would be a buy. Now the buying condition for me would only be above this zone here, so 1.195. Now the reason for this is because we would be continuing to possibly push higher, and we could, if we can break this high here, so at 1.2, then that would obviously be of significant price move in the markets, and we're breaking the previous week's high, so we could see a spike to the upside, and then possibly a break to the downside. But if that scenario does happen, I would obviously give you guys some sort of warning beforehand, or update you guys in the group or the video, so just stay out for those. So pretty much all you'll be looking for is a break to the upside, again waiting for that retest here, and then a push and close to the upside, and hopefully we can see this top end of this channel being respected. And again, it's all been dependent on how price and the opportunities play out for the next trading week, guys. So like I said, if we do have anything that we would like to update, we will give you that on YouTube or our trading group. So if you are a new trader or you're new to trading, we have a trading group that you can join. That link is in the description below. All of our links are there as well if you do want to contact us, and all that good stuff. If you do have a question for us, feel free to message us and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. And if you made it all the way to the end of the video, guys, make sure you're subscribed, and thank you very much for watching. We see you guys all in the next one.